Salve! Welcome to Easy Latin Part 2. In this video, we're going to look at how to change our verbs to make sentences more interesting. So last time we looked at some nouns and some verbs. Nauta means sailor, rex means king, and miles means soldier. And we used these along with some verbs to make some sentences, such as laborat, meaning works, numerat, counts, and ambulat, walks. And we modelled these all around. So we had nauta laborat, the sailor works, but we also had rex laborat and miles laborat. This time, we're going to have a look at some different types of sentences. Ego in foro laboro. This sentence means, I work in the forum. Can you see how laboro has changed? We had laborat before, now we have laboro. Here's the same sentence. In foro laboro. What's changed? I've lost ego. I don't need it in Latin, it's just there for emphasis, so you might not see it very often. So we're going to have to look at something else to help us know who's doing the verb. In foro, numero. I count in the forum. How might I say I walk in the forum? In foro, ambulo. So we've looked at our three verbs in a different way. Last time we had laborat, he works, numerat, he counts, ambulat, he walks. That's what we call the third person of verbs. He, she, it is doing the verb, and they all end with the letter T. Today, we've looked at laboro, which means I work, numero, I count, and ambulo, I walk. This is what we call the first person of Latin verbs, and all of these end with an O. Let's see what else we can do. Here's a new verb, salutat. What might you guess this means in English? We get the word salute from it. It means he greets or she greets. If I wanted to change that to I greet, I would take the AT off and add an O instead. So from salutat, I've now got saluto, I greet. If you want to continue your Latin journey, sign up for my workshop. It's on-demand video training, it's 1 hour, and it is completely free. It has the fundamentals of grammar and vocabulary, and I'll go through the 5 biggest mistakes I see students making time and again. You'll also get all of my free guides, so sign up at the link in the description below. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time on Bambasbat. Wale!